In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and add a custom logo in Salesforce, perfect for beginners who are looking to personalize their experience. First and foremost, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account, which is the essential starting point for making any changes. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this to go into the setup area. This opens up the advanced setup where most of the customization magic happens. Next, you'll see a search bar labeled Quick Find. Type in App Manager here, which will lead you to the App Manager section. This is an important step as it's where you manage all the different apps you have within Salesforce. Now, scroll through the list to find the specific app where you want to change the logo. Once you've located it, look to the right side of the row and click on the drop-down menu. From this menu, select Edit. This will bring you to a new page that handles app branding among other settings. Now look for a section labeled App Branding and you'll see an option to upload your logo. Click on the Upload button to add your new logo. It's always a good idea to have your logo file ready beforehand so you can smoothly navigate through this step. Make sure the image fits the required file type and size guidelines to avoid any loading issues. After successfully uploading your logo, don't forget to save your changes. This is crucial to ensure all the modifications you've made are stored and will be reflected when you revisit the app. Now one last thing remains. Refresh the app. This final step lets you see the new logo in action within the app's interface. Simply reload the app page and watch as your new logo takes its place proudly, representing your brand or organization. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a custom logo to your Salesforce app. Customizing your app with a unique logo not only enhances your brand identity, but also adds a personal touch to the Salesforce environment. Remember, if you ever wish to update or change the logo again, simply repeat these steps. Enjoy your newly branded Salesforce experience and happy customizing.